Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4" nut and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. The water inlet valve is located behind the refrigerator at the bottom behind the access panel. The water valve supplies water to the ice maker and to the drinking fountain on demand. The main reasons for the water valve to be replaced is if it breaks, no longer supplying water to the ice maker or to the water fountain, or cracks, leaking water on the floor. We need to remove the access panel. I'm going to use a 1/4" nut driver. I'm going to take out the screws that holds the panel. And start with this one that holds the ground wire. And we can lift the panel out. Now we need to disconnect the spark plug from the water inlet valve. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. We're going to prime off. So now I'm going to pull off this line cover. Just grab it on the sides and remove it like this. Alright, so I'll bring up a little bit the access panel, and then I'm going to use the 1/4" nut driver and take out that screw that holds the water valve. I recommend to put a towel underneath because we're going to have a few drops of water coming out of the tube. Now we're going to disconnect the water line from the bottom. I'm going to press in the locking collar, those 2 fingers, and then we're going to pull out the tube. I'm going to pull this tube out completely from this bracket. And then I'm going to remove this water valve. I'm going to have to play a little bit, turn it over, and take it out. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to insert the new water valve in. And the water line goes into the bracket. Pull it under, and from this side, and we're going to insert it into the valve. Push it in all the way as far as it can go. And we place the tube onto the bracket. Pull out the extras. And we're going to secure the water valve to the access panel with a 1/4" screw. Turn it over. Place the tube into this bracket. Then we're going to install the cover on. Just clip it onto the valve and remove the towel. And then I'm going to connect the power plug. And now I'm going to remove this blue cap and install the rear access panel. The power cord should be out. And we can attach it to the chassis. Right. I'm going to use the same cord and screws. And we're going to attach this power cord and the ground wire. Same time, same screw. Alright. After we're done with all the tubing connecting, plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.